To draw a wire coat hanger real easy, you're going to need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. Let's not talk about it. Let's do it. Okay, let's start about there. And we're going to want quite a shallow isosceles triangle like that. And so obviously each side wants to be equal, so each length is equal. And then that will want to go up a little bit, and then we're going to want a circle on the top. And that's going to curve around there and curve around there, a loop there and a loop there. Okay, I am going to start right up at the top here and come around with the hook like that to about there. And then this is also going to just blob out there a little bit like that. Now you want to be really careful and just take your time following around like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to have a little kind of a twist here. 1 and 2 and 3, something like that. And maybe there'll be a bit showing on the other side. And then I'm just going to straighten that up for me there so that I can see where that's going. And then I'm going to draw right about here. I'm going to draw this loop like that. And then come across with a bit of a curve at the top. Just a gentle kind of curve. And then we want to come around in a curve like that. Nice and straight along the bottom. Come around to there, and we want that loop coming up there. Okay, and then let's start round about here, and we're going to want this is the thickness of the wire. And we'll just bring that up there so that then joins up at the top. Which means then we can bring this down here to join there, and we can continue that around the bottom underneath that there like that, and all the way along the top line of that, even though it's the bottom of the coat hanger. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. If you enjoyed doing that and you want to do a wooden coat hanger, click up here. Now just to finish off, I'm going to add an extra little bit of shadow just there, and then we might put a little bit of shadow just going up there. I want to keep adding things all the way, but I'm just going to leave it like that. There you go, how to draw a wire coat hanger. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.